Friends, today's topic is class 10 politics chapter 2. The chapter name is फेडरलिज्म. स्टूडेंट आज इसके हम क्वेश्चन आंसर्स क्लियर करने जा रहे हैं. अब देखते हैं हमारे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स क्या. क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, लोकेट द फॉलोइंग स्टेट ऑन अ ब्लैंक आउटलाइन पॉलिटिकल मैप ऑफ इंडिया. मणिपुर, सिक्किम, छत्तीसगढ़ एंड गोवा. हमारे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में हमें पॉलिटिकल मैप बनाना है जिसमें हमें मणिपुर, सिक्किम, छत्तीसगढ़ और गोवा को सेट करना है. ये मैंने एक पॉलिटिकल मैप आपको शो कर दिया है, आप देख सकते हैं. ये हमारा सिक्किम है, ये मणिपुर, ये छत्तीसगढ़ और गोवा. ये हो गया हमारा मैप ऑफ इंडिया पॉलिटिकल. अब देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड क्या हो. आइडेंटिफाई एंड शेड 3 फेडरल कंट्रीज अदर देन इंडिया ऑन अ ब्लैंक आउटलाइन पॉलिटिकल मैप ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. इसमें भी हमें एक पॉलिटिकल मैप बनाना है जिसमें हमें 3 फेडरल कंट्रीज सेट करनी है. तो मैं आपको फेडरल कंट्रीज की नेम बता देती हूँ. सेम पॉलिटिकल मैप जैसा हमने फर्स्ट में बनाया है वैसा ही इसमें बनाएंगे. यूनाइटेड स्टेट ऑफ अमेरिका, सेकंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया, थर्ड बेल्जियम. इन 3 स्टेट्स को हमें पॉलिटिकल मैप के अंदर सेट करना है. अब देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड. पॉइंट आउट वन फीचर इन द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ फेडरलिज्म इन इंडिया दैट इज सिमिलर टू एंड वन फीचर दैट इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम दैट ऑफ बेल्जियम. आंसर, one feature is the practice of federalism in India that is similar to Belgium is that state government are not subordinate to the central government, and different feature is that number of ministers are not determined on the basis of linguistic communities like Belgium in central government in India. अब देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर फोर्थ. What is the main difference between a federal form of government and a unitary one? Explain with an example. Answer, the main difference between a federal form of government and a unitary one are. First point, in federal form of government the power are divided between central and state level and both the government are independent at their levels, while in unitary form of government there is only central government, state government are dependent on central governments. In this state government get the power from central government. Second point, in unitary form of government central government can give order to state government, but in federal form of government central government cannot give order to state government. Third point, in unitary form of government state government are responsible to central government for their work, while in federal form of government state government are not responsible to central government for their work. In this both government are responsible for public at their levels. For instance, India, USA, Canada, Switzerland, Australia, Brazil have federal government, where France, Japan have unitary form of government. Question 5th. State any two difference between the local government before and after the constitutional amendment in 1992. Answer, first point, constitutional recognition. Local government was not given constitutional recognition before 1992, but after the amendment of 1992 local institutions have been given constitutional recognition by including them in 11 and 12 schedule list of constitution. Second point, reservation system for women. There was no reservation for women in local government before 1992, while after the constitutional amendment of 1992 women were given 33% reservation in local institutions. Question 6, fill in the blanks. इसमें हमें 4 blanks दिए हुए हैं जिन्हें हमें fill करना है. अब हम इसको और भरते हैं. Since the United States is a blank, ये हमारा फर्स्ट ब्लैंक है जिसमें committing together आ जाएगा. Type of federation, all the constitution state have equal power and state are. second blank में हमारे strong आ जाएगा. With the federal government, but India is a holding together type of federation and some state have more power than other. In India the central government has more power. Question 7, Sangeeta. The policy of accommodation has stunted national unity. Urban language based state have divided us by making everyone conscious of their language. Harish. This policy has only helped to consolidate the dominance of English over all other languages. Answer. Sangeeta, reaction is better than those of the other two. Unlike Sri Lanka, where the language of the Majority has been promoted. The Indian polity has given equality of status to all the major language spoken in the country. This has led to avoidance of social conflict on linguistic basis. The policy of accommodation has made administration of state easier. Question number 8. The distance picture of a federal government is. Answer. Government power is divided between different levels of government. Question 9. A few subjects in various lists of the Indian Constitution are given here. Group them under the Union, State and Concurrent list as provided in the table below. Answer. Union list. Defense, banking, communication. State list. Policy, agriculture, trade. Concurrent list. Education, forest, marriages. Question 10. Examine the following pair that give the levels of government in India and the powers of the government at their levels to make laws on the subject mentioned against each. Answer. Local government residuary power. Question number 11. Make list first with list second and select the correct answer using the codes given below the list. List first, list second. First, Union State. A. Prime Minister. Second, State. B. Sarpanch. Third, Municipal Corporation. C. Governor. Fourth, Gram Panchayat. D. Mayor. Answer is C. A, C, D, B. Question 12. Consider the following two statements. आंसर सी, ए एंड बी ओनली. यह हमारे आंसर्स कंप्लीट हो गए इस चैप्टर के. इफ़ यू लाइक माई वीडियो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड शेयर माई वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. ओके, थैंक्स, गुड बाय.